Now these are just short reviews for the final. I'm not expecting to do 20-minute problems. 20 minutes of problems would be a better way to say it. But someone asked about scientific notation. So if you have a regular number, look if it's really big or really small. It's so easy to lose a zero, rewrite it wrong. So they come up with a way to write it with fewer terms. Now if you're dealing with the number 203, it'd probably be silly to use scientific notation. Or 0.2, silly to use scientific notation. But scientific notation, you move the decimal until you have a number between 1 and 10. It can be 1, but it's really not supposed to be 10. Times 10 to a power, which is just another array to write 1,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000,000, or whatever it is. So, here we go. Move. 3.7 is between 1 and 10. Times 10. Now, if this is smaller than this, the power has to be positive because you have to make it bigger. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 10 sevens multiplied to this to get to this. Here you move it. Ooh, 5.6 times 10. Now this is bigger than this, so this has to be a negative power, meaning making this smaller. And how many times do I move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I divide it by 10 5 times. Then if I want to go the other way, make this a regular number, I know I need to move the decimal, making this bigger 4 times. So it'd be 3, move it once, 1, 2, 3 more, 32,000. This one, that's a negative there if you can't see it. So that means this is going to be smaller. So move it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Or you could say move it once to get it out of the number part, and then just put zeros to keep it up to 5, to get it up to 5. Now you can do operations with scientific notation. You just multiply the number part out front. 6 times 2 is 12. Times, when you multiply two things same base, you add the powers, so it'd be 10 to the 11th. Almost at 8 because I saw that number, but you add them. But wait a minute, the first number has to be between 1 and 10. It can be 1, but not 10. So I have to make this one smaller, which means to balance it out, I have to make this one bigger. Okay, here, 4 times 2 is 8, times 10. When I multiply two things same base, I add. 17 plus negative 5 is 12. And notice I don't need to change that. It is between 1 and 10. Woo! 8 divided by 4 is 2. And when you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. So that would be 6 minus a negative 3, or 6 plus 3 is 9. Woohoo! Hey, I think I'm done with the topics you asked for. Have a good day.